Have you ever found yourself staring at your OnPay app, wondering how to clock in? It's a common query, especially for new users. Let's dive into the simple steps to ensure you're accurately tracking your hours. Understanding OnPay. What is OnPay? Briefly explain OnPay as a time tracking and payroll management tool. Why is it important to clock in accurately? Discuss the significance of accurate timekeeping for fair wages and efficient payroll processes. Step-by-step guide. Opening the OnPay app. Guide viewers through opening the OnPay app on their smartphones or computers. Show how to locate the clock in button or icon. Entering personal information. If necessary, explain how to enter personal details like name, employee ID, or other required information. Highlight the importance of accuracy in these details. Clocking in. Demonstrate the process of tapping or clicking the clock in button. Show how the app might record the time and date automatically. Verifying clock-in details. Guide viewers on how to check the recorded clock-in time and date. Explain the importance of verifying the accuracy of this information. Using GPS if applicable. If OnPay uses GPS for location-based clock-in, demonstrate how to enable location services and ensure accurate tracking. Discuss the benefits of GPS tracking for remote workers or field staff. Handling multiple jobs or projects. If OnPay allows for multiple jobs or projects, explain how to select the correct project before clocking in. Show how to switch between projects if necessary. Troubleshooting common issues. Address potential issues like app crashes, network errors, or difficulty locating the clock-in button. Provide simple solutions or troubleshooting tips. Tips for effective time tracking. Consistency is key. Encourage viewers to clock in and out consistently to avoid discrepancies in their hours. Double-check. Remind viewers to always double-check their clock-in and clock-out times to ensure accuracy. Report issues promptly. If they encounter any problems, advise them to report them to their employer or OnPay support immediately. Additional features, if applicable. Break tracking. If OnPay allows for break tracking, demonstrate how to record and account for breaks. Overtime calculations. Explain how OnPay might automatically calculate overtime hours based on the set work schedule. Time off requests. If applicable, show how to request time off or vacation through the OnPay app. Recap the key points. Summarize the steps involved in clocking in on OnPay. Emphasize the importance of accurate timekeeping. Reinforce the significance of accurate time tracking for fair wages and efficient payroll. Encourage viewers to explore OnPay further. Suggest that viewers explore other features of the OnPay app, such as payroll information or communication with employers. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, accurate timekeeping is essential. So, next time you're ready to start your shift, don't hesitate to clock in on OnPay. Happy time tracking!